How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Messenger video call sound problem. So here, if you can't hear other person or they can't hear you during a Messenger video call, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it quickly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So, first, make sure that your phone volume is turned up. So, while on a call, you can just press the volume up button and confirm that the call volume isn't muted. And with that, next, check if your microphone or the speaker is blocked. So, there, if your microphone or the speaker is blocked, then you can clean the speaker and the mic area properly, especially if you're using a phone case. And with that, now you can simply open the messenger and just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on settings. And now from here, what you have to do is simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on this option that says accessibility. Now here, if you don't find anything that's related to the microphone, camera, or speaker access, then you can simply search for it. Or even if you don't find it here, then you can simply exit the messenger app and long press on it, and from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. And now here in this section, you can allow microphone, camera, and the speaker access. And if any of these are disabled, you can simply turn them on. And after that, you can simply go and check for any messenger updates as well, because an outdated version can cause some sounding issues, so be sure to check that. And with that, also make sure that you have stable internet connection, because poor network quality can cause audio problems during the video calls. And finally, if nothing works, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall it again, and then log back into your account. And that's it. With this, your Messenger video call sound problem should be fixed. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.